fun time. We have a holiday episode for you. And wait, what?
Gotta look at the camera.
Hi. And we are making a toy video, and this is our holiday episode. So my assistant Tom is gonna bring us the bag. Oh,
bring on the toys.
Bring on the toys. Bring on the toys.
Here you go, Trent the monkey. Here's some toys for you to review.
How did you get these? How did you get these? Can I open them?
Yeah.
Okay, let's open this one up. Let's see. Which one I got? I love this one. I wanted to get the trapped spider. And I got the trapped spider, if you can see he's in a cage. It can't break out. There's no way it can break out.
What are those?
Minecraft blind boxes.
Tell the camera.
These are Minecraft blind boxes, Series 4. And I've been dying to get the one with the spider in the cage, and it's really cool. So I opened this one too, and I also been dying to get this one too. It's Steve. He's in his golden armor. I think it's golden. Yeah, it's really awesome, and I'm gonna open this one. Oh, I get the creeper. I mean the zombie in the door. It's that one right there. If you can see right there. Okay, so okay. Ooh, this is awesome. Well, I also been dying to get this one too. Like, as you can see, it's slime cubes. And I didn't know that my dad had these, but I'm so excited. And on the next channel, I'll be reviewing them and playing with them. So stay tuned. See ya, Minecraft fans. Shut up. Well, I'm gonna walk around here. Oh my gosh, it's a spider. Oh, at least he's trapped. And slime cubes, but oh my gosh, they're not trapped. I'm gonna bring them to the slinger. Bonk, bonk, bonk. Ow! Where are you? Are you watching, Daddy? Watching? Ooh. Ow, ow. Well, good thing that's over. Is it just me, or is there slime on my head? Slimy. Ah!